Okay, my dear friends, by watching this video, maybe you can see that our workshop has a lot of production equipment and precision instrument because our products is very strictly controlled, and the process is strictly because we always test the product to ensure the quality. Maybe a few of the friends don't know this product. I will introduce it. The plunger is used in engineering vehicles such as excavators, crane rollers, and agricultural vehicles such as harvesters and rice transplants. Also, they can used in trucks or bus. So the product is used from many types. Our factory, Donggang Weiyuan, has decades of plunger production, maybe occupying most of the domestic market, and Africa, Southeast, and other foreign countries. The annual production capacity of the workshop, I think, maybe 1.5 million per year. And we also make many types of plungers, about 1,500 types. Let's have a look. You see, this is A-type plunger. For example, A44, maybe someone know it, and A38. And next you can see A836, 832, and 831. It's very popular product. And for 814, 812. These are for P-type plungers. I think the most popular products may be 1455069. Maybe about 1 year we can sell it many pieces. And next you can see these are PS plungers. For example, 14550, 196, 192, 14550, 333. These are all PS plungers. Except it, we also have these are for Yangma series and Kubota. For example, K199 is also a very popular product. It's for Kubota, and K283. I think these plungers are very popular in Southeast countries. And also, you can see we have many types of plungers. It looks different, so you can see that our workshop they make many type plungers. If you have inquiries, you can give me. Maybe I can make it for you. Or if we don't make it, you can also give me the drawings or the samples. We also can make it. Now, our friends, here I have some plungers, and maybe I can choose some to introduce to you.